Welcome to Radivej Finance, and we have achieved the GMP prediction for C Infosystem Limited. That is nothing but Map My India. And dear investors and viewers, yes, absolutely, we are predicting new share target for the Map My India, that is C Infosystem Limited, which will be valid till February 2022. Dear investors and viewers, if you see today's graph about Map My India on the day of listing, yes, our minimum GMP, that is 1400, has been achieved by them. And in that case, that's the reason we are sharing our new target for this company. So you may have a look around that. We have expected also maximum INR, but it has been unsatisfied by this company because they have not given the way they have listed into the market was quite strategizing one. They are looking might be to hold their investors interest for a long term gain rather than putting up on the short term strategies. So have a look around this company, and we are going to share the new share target which will be valid till February 2022. Ridhivej Finance expected GMP, or we are hoping this GMP from Map My India. GMP prediction for CE Infosystem Limited IPO. This we are not expect this company should show discount offer, so that's the reason we are expect at least it has been get subscribed at the GMP on the day of listing. It can open up around IN minimum INR. We are expecting this can gives 1400 INR, and maximum it can goes up to 1700 or 1800 around that. And suppose it extremely goes up, it can show 2100 INR, or more than that means 2100, 2300, like that. So we will watch it how much big GMP returns on the day of listing by Map My India. Hopefully thumbs up. And yes, if you like our Map My India really do great business. They are having large number of MNC client, and yes, we are expecting this GMP. Dear viewers, if you see C Infosystem, the graph of C Infosystem, it has been sustained till the 3 o'clock. It's around 1400 only, that is 1396, but it has showed the falling the shares around by the 330 1375. This is our last movement which we have clicked this picture. And if you see, they have opened up the share at 1565, and they have given a maximum, it's just a 1600. Around that means like a 1590 rupees only. So anyhow, all of you are profit who got the allotted the shares by Map My India. So hopefully you have the book the profit while listing gain, or you can hold it the share for a long term to see long term prospective gain. Dear viewers, Ridhivej Finance gives new share target predictions for C Infosystem Limited, which will be valid till February 2022 for Map My India is their sign. So we are expecting this. If this share can falls down, it can touch up to minimum 1100 rupees INR. And in that case, suppose this share show uptrend, then it can touch up to 1800 INR at least. So, and this will be valid till February ending 2022. So have a look. Suppose this predictions comes true, we will upload our new video. If it has been drastically changed, the volatility of this share doesn't look like that. It shows the flat trend, sustainability, and consistency in this share according to us. Yeah, volatility is there on the day of listing, but probably this company will show consistency during this till February 2022. So this prediction is based on a volatility of the share. So we will watch it till February ending 2022 for My India, what share target they can achieve it, which is given by us to them. Have a great. Dear investors and viewers, suppose our predictions has failed to deliver any kind of predictions regarding subscription prediction regarding GMP listing. So we are apologize for the same. Suppose we are failed, yes, we will try to improve ourselves in the year of 2022. We will give you new international projections also for Nasdaq and other. We are hoping to expand our channel, and yes, absolutely, till the wait of year end you have a surprises a lot, so have a look around that. And anyways, Merry Christmas to all of our viewers who loves Christmas. And absolutely, we are hoping we will become a new Santa for all of you. So hopefully you will like our new video, which is our surprise arranged by us on the year end. Have a look around those video. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.